What is up, guys? Welcome back to Overspray. In today's video, I'm gonna show you why I got into bodywork. So as some of you guys may or may not know, I'm also a mechanic. I'm known as Mechanic Life on TikTok, and on YouTube, I'm known as Overspray. So in Overspray, I do all my painting and bodywork and yada, yada, yada. And on TikTok, I do all my mechanical stuff. So I've been a mechanic for roughly 14 years, and I've probably been doing bodywork for probably the last 5 years on and off in my own spare time, and I'm all self-taught. The reason why I taught myself or learned bodywork what I'm about to show you is the reason why I started getting into bodywork. And basically, the shops nearby just don't do quality work. And I'm about to show you one of the local body shops work. For you guys that are pros, viewer discretion is advised because this work is pretty bad. So the lady said that this was recent. This happened just recently, and you can see how bad that looks. But as we move along to the quarter panel, you can see that the quarter panel wasn't really done very well. You can see it's still like concaved here where the bumper meets the quarter panel. Then here you can see they're very sloppy bodywork and very aggressive. I'm not sure if you guys can see those are pigtails. I'm not sure if you can see that. They're basically like 80 grit pigtails, and those pigtails go across this whole panel. These two doors all the way across, all the way into the fender, and they also painted the hood. There is literally pigtails throughout this whole freaking door, and the most aggressive ones are actually right here. So you can pretty much see how bad the local body shops around here are, and it's basically throughout this whole freaking door, all the way to the other door. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. I'm pretty sure you guys can see that, right? Really deep scratches. I mean, this is pretty much like, it almost looks like it was done in Mexico. It's terrible. As we move to the fender, you can see what that looks like. You could even see some of what it looks to be like a body filler, like they didn't sand it properly, or they didn't level it off or block it. You can still see where that body filler is. And like I said, very deep sanding scratches. I know it's very hard to see, but they are very aggressive. Looks like 80 grit scratches throughout the whole car. Let's get closer to that so you guys can see. Yeah, that's basically what the whole car looks like, with 80 grit scratches all across, from the back all the way to the front. Yeah, just very terrible work. And this is why I basically started doing my own body work. And this translates all the way to the hood. You can see hood, even dry spray, really dry. Those metallics lay down real dry. See all that? Just really bad body work, guys. And this is a prime example of why I began doing stuff in my garage. And this lady asked me to inspect her car because, you know, she doesn't really know how to look at this kind of stuff. And I told her, you know what, this is really bad. So she's gonna take the car back tomorrow. And let me just show you something she accidentally did. So this obviously wasn't done by them. This was just recent. She accidentally did this on the way out of the body shop. So she's got to take it back anyway, but regardless, their work is pretty bad around here. It's the paint doesn't even match. It's like a different shade of silver. So yeah, guys, this is why I started doing my own body work in my garage. So guys, that is a prime example of why I started Overspray, why I started getting into body work, because, well, some of the local shops are just not up there in quality. And basically, you know, being a mechanic and seeing a lot of these people taking their car to body shops that just weren't doing quality work, I wanted to learn it and, you know, provide some people better quality paint jobs or work or repairs and make their car look like nothing ever happened, right? Now, of course, I'm constantly still learning. I'm not a master painter. I am a certified painter. I am ASE certified in paint and refinishing, but you know, I don't do this every day. I do this in the spare time in my home garage. I have pretty much everything I need to start doing this professionally, but I just haven't made the jump into a body shop, and I just don't have the professional training that maybe some of these shops would seek. But at the same time, sometimes I feel like I can do better body work and paint better than some of these shops in this area, because I look at their work and I'm like, wow, that is just terrible, you know, to say the least. And I don't know how insurance companies are writing off these cars and saying, yeah, it's fine, send it on its way. Yeah, I don't see how that's even plausible. But anyway, guys, so that is a little small video I wanted to make for you guys. This is why I started Overspray, and yeah, guys, well, that's gonna be a wrap for me. Anyway, guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed that one. Stay spraying. Catch you guys on the next one.